On se retrouve aujourd'hui pour l'épisode 7. Alors, oula, ça commence bien. On peut aller à une vraie mission. Alors. Pourquoi c'est si petit? On voit rien. Léopold-Strauss, qu'est-ce qu'il a à me proposer, lui? Allez, on va le voir, lui. Mais c'est pas possible de voir... Mais comment on fait pour aller au salon de coiffure? Trop bizarre. Il est où mon cheval?
Mr. Morgan.
Yes, Miss Grimshaw.
Mr. Matthews gave me a message for you. He said when it was convenient to head into Emerald Ranch. He's looking at a few business things there.
Okay.
Oh, he'll find something too. He always does. Will you be well now, Mr. Morgan?
I'm always well, Miss Grimshaw.
How generous of you. You're not a nice man, Mr. Pearson.
Talk to them. To Dutch.
Je suis censé aller voir qui là? Je suis
Please.
perdu. C'est lui, non? suis à l'endroit là. Menacé, provoqué, pourquoi?
Speak! Don't cry, boy. Speak about your gang.
I can't.
Boy.
Whoa! Hold your horses there. It seems the cat has got our friend here's tongue. I was thinking Mr. Williamson could have a word.
You ready to talk, boy?
I told you, mister. I told all of you. I don't know nothing, okay? They ain't no friends of mine. I just been ridden with them for a while.
Horseshit! You see, we heard that part, so how about you tell the truth? That's what you want me to do.
Hurt him, so the next time he opens his mouth, it is to tell us what is going on. Ah, who am I kidding? One of O'Driscoll's boys couldn't open his mouth, but he'd tell a lie. Screw it. Let's just have some fun. Geld him.
Yeah!
What's he doing? Where's he going?
Oh, don't worry. You're only balls, boy. Just gonna cause you trouble. You know, in Imperial Rome, eunuchs was among the happiest and most loyal of courtiers.
No, you kidding me, right?
Of course.
You sick bastards! Oh, what do you want from me?
Well, you are gonna talk. The only question is now or after we got these little fellas off.
Okay, listen. I know where O'Driscoll is holed up, and you're right. He don't like you any more than you like him. He's at 6 Point Cabin. I'll take you there. Serious. I don't like him. I mean, I like him even less than I like you, no offense.
Oh, none taken.
Okay then, partner. Why don't you take a few of us up there right now? I got this, Dutch. Should be fun. All right, you. Come on. Let's go. Let's both hope you ain't trying to trick us, O'Driscoll.
I ain't no O'Driscoll.
You sure as shit was. John, Bill, come here. We got a social call needs making. Where we heading?
Up into the hills behind Valentine. Well, I'll show you.
John, you take this little rattlesnake with you. Any nonsense, kill him.
Sure.
You're gonna pay your buddies our respects.
He taking us to Combe?
That's what he says. Come on.
I'm taking you to him. Look, I'll give you more directions when we're close. But if I know where we are, it's up past Valentine.
All right, I'll lead. Sharing saddle with an O'Driscoll. Who'd have thought?
How many times I gotta say? I ain't an O'Driscoll.
You sure look like one, and you smell like... God damn. You smell like one, too.
I smell like horse shit.
That's right. Boy, are you high.
Morgan! You got throwing knives in your saddlebag. Dutch said that you might... I was asked to give them, and I'm doing you the further courtesy of telling you about it.
Next time you want to give me something, how about you give it to me? Instead of hiding it somewhere, hoping the opportunity comes up to mention it.
Last goddamn favor I do you.
Hey! If I got my bearings, it's over here. Yeah, I know this country. Take this track up through the rocks.
How you holding up, John?
Fine. Still ain't right, but I'm fine.
You damn well should be after all that bed rest.
Hey, all right. Abigail wouldn't let me up. You know her. She won't be reasoned with.
Well, when you was having a failure of reason, hiding behind your woman, we were getting shot at.
And I'd do the same for you, if you was in a bad way.
I hope so. But I fear you don't know how to help anyone. Except in yourself.
You see, O'Driscoll? If this is how he treats his friends, imagine what he does to his enemies.
I got an inkling of what you all do to your enemies when you put those gelding tongs to my parts.
Hell, you still got those tongs?
I got a knife. Won't be so clean, but it'll do the job.
Keep that in your mind, young feller. forefront of them.
I swear, I promise, I am taking you to Combe as best as I can. You'll see, I'll make good. Those are the hills. Head for them.
Save your horses. We gotta climb, boys.
What are you doing?
You all ain't that different from the O'Driscolls.
What did you just say?
I've been watching you all these weeks, and,
You've been tied to a tree. You don't know nothing about this gang.
yeah, well, I'd say you don't know much about the O'Driscolls. But maybe I know more about you than you know about them. And I know all about them, so...
Tell us then. How are we like those mongrel dogs?
You're outlawed like them. You're out to survive like them. You live rough. You live hard. Fighting the law. Nature. You're out for yourselves.
See? This is why you're an O'Driscoll, O'Driscoll. You're out to survive. We're out to live. Free. Combs a sneak thief and a killer. Dutch is more like a teacher.
From where I've been, you just look the same as all.
Then you looked, but you ain't seen.
John, shut that boy up.
Enough out of you.
Boys, we're almost on them. Now, who knows if this son of a bitch we got with us is talking true, but if it's what he says it is, and Colm O'Driscoll's here, we can end years of
Vous êtes sûr
fighting.
que c'est un jeu,
Here
ça?
and now.
Amen to that.
Here,
Mon Dieu.
here.
I swear, this is where he was.
Shut up.
Okay, now cut left up here. We go
Pour
down
moi,
the
les jeux
hill
vidéo,
into the
c'est de la
forest.
sorcellerie. Hein. Vraiment.
Whoa. We're going in quiet.
Surtout un jeu comme ça, là.
Taking 'em out as
C'est
we're
le
fighting.
prochain jeu qui va venir, là. Suivez mon regard. GTA 6.
But if we do,
Ça va être la
we move
sorcellerie.
quick
C'est
and
comment?
hard.
C'est quelle
Settle
intelligence
this like we know how,
hein,
okay?
mathématico,
Okay by me.
jeu
With you,
vidéodesque.
All right then.
Non mais,
Through the trees here.
je sais pas si vous voyez ce que je veux dire, mais c'est de la magie, c'est de la sorcellerie. Comment on fait? Comment on fait pour faire ça?
Hey, we're real
C'est
close.
c'est de la
I'd leave your
folie en
horses
fait.
the other side of this clearing.
I'll
Non,
get
c'est
my
de la-
guns
c'est
off
de la
my horse,
folie.
and I'm ready.
Easy, Bill.
Les gens qui font les jeux
Ouais.
vidéo comme ça, là, c'est des malades mentaux.
This is it. The cabin's just the other side of this hill.
Okay. Off your horses. Let's go.
You gonna get them knives?
I
Faudrait
said
qu'ils mettent en
easy.
version française. GTA. Ce serait vraiment bien.
Follow me, all right? It ain't far.
We might have shared a horse, but we ain't friends. Remember, I'm watching
Parce
you
que là, ok,
every moment.
mon niveau en anglais n'est pas si... Voilà. Mais
It'd be suicide.
You'll die, boy.
je mets quand même des
But you lose
sous-titres.
your balls first.
Jesus Christ. Hey, there, you see?
Et écouter l'anglais plus lire du français en tout petit, c'est chiant.
Cabin's in the clearing down there. There'll be a bunch of fellers hiding out there too.
Are these fellas armed?
Armed, drunk, wary of strangers, yep.
And Colm O'Driscoll?
He'll be holed up in his cabin. Be passed out, booze blind, likely as not.
Hey, over there. Someone's coming.
So, who's gonna tell him we ain't got nothing for the pot?
Oh, let me think. The fellow that spooked the game, I reckon.
I'm gonna drain it. I'll catch up.
No, we ain't gonna fall for that. We're gonna wait so you can tell him yourself. Yeah. If anyone's actually gonna shoot the messenger, it'd be that mean son of a bitch.
Yes, sir.
Come on, shake it off.
What are we doing about the pisser, Morgan? One by the tree.
Bon, qu'est-ce qu'il faut faire? Éliminer, ok.
You want me to take him?
Comment on fait déjà? Ah ouais, attends.
Hush.
You got a lead
Hush
on
now.
me. What are we doing?
Attends. Éliminer les... Ils sont visés, s'en occuper, envoyer Bill.
We're here. We don't need nothing else from you. Let's get close.
Pourquoi il range pas son... Attendez, je comprends pas là.
What the hell?
Now we got a real fight! Come on!
It's on! We move quick, we move hard!
We catch you unawares!
You're worthless O'Driscoll hides!
None of them get out of here!
Come on then! Come on!
If all your friends are here, who's it taking you away?
Give us home! This is done!
What are you hiding out in the woods for?
Don't run away from me! Son of a bitch! I'm hit!
Clean them up! Clean them out!
Come at me, you Irish bastards!
Great! Kill them all then! This is quite a hideout!
Oh!
We got 'em! Close in!
C'est quoi ça?
Get up, O'Driscolls! We got you beat!
We caught him on the drink!
You weren't lying there, little toad!
You stay here, you're dead man!
Je suis sûr que ça va me dire mission échouée.
Unless you're all together at the end.
Son of a bitches!
Run and hide if you know what's good for you!
Die, you drunk idiots! Look out! More of them!
On a utilisé assister ça aide.
Leave him. Comb's still here.
Hey, he said Combs be in the cabin.
I'll check. You look out here.
Now, what you stashing in here?
Laquelle? Parce que je vois pas de cabane. Oh mais non.
What you got, O'Driscoll?
Je ne vois pas. Ah, ok, c'est vrai qu'il faut regarder sur la carte. Bon. Ça sert à rien de faire ça. Mais qu'est-ce qu'il fait ce mec? Je savais. C'est vrai que j'avais fait sortir mon flingue.
You all right?
Sure. Thank you. Colm O'Driscoll.
Ils nous ont déjà fait le coup au début de...
You set us up. Come here!
What?
You set us up.
No, I didn't.
You did. Colm O'Driscoll ain't here!
He was here, I swear. If I was setting you up, I wouldn't have saved your life.
It's a good point, Arthur.
All right, then, go on. Get out of here.
Hey?
I won't kill you.
I didn't set you up.
Get lost.
Get lost.
I'm letting you run away. Now go on. Get out of here.
That's as good as killing me. Out there, without you, Colm O'Driscoll's gonna lose his mind about this.
So?
So I'm one of you now.
Give me a break. All right, then. But I'm warning you.
Oh, I know.
Come on, let's get to camp.
So you got the cash then?
What cash?
Yeah, there's usually some cash. In the chimney.
I'll check it. Rest of you boys, get to camp, quick.
See, Arthur? I ain't so bad.
Hey, Bill. You tell Dutch old Kieran ain't worth killing. Just yet.
Right you are.
C'est vraiment comme... Hé, je vois rien. C'est pas possible. Pourquoi il peut pas prendre les choses plus vite? C'est lent. Qu'est-ce qu'il prend même? Ah, c'est de l'argent? Je comprends pas. Maintenez L1 pour afficher la roue des armes. Nettoyez vos armes avec de l'huile. Putain, j'ai jamais le temps de lire ce qu'ils disent. Bah ouais, je fais quoi? Je sais pas, c'est ça qui m'énerve, je sais jamais quoi faire. En plus, il peut même pas partir. Il peut pas partir, je sais pas. Il- Oh, ça m'énerve ça. Maintenez L1 pour afficher la roue des armes. Ok. Je suis obligé d'ouvrir l'ordi pour voir ce qui est écrit à la télé. Ok. Voilà. Entretenez le fusil à double canon. Ok. En faisant quoi? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Nettoyer le fusil à double canon. Et ensuite, je sais jamais quoi faire. Je sais pas quoi faire. Il y a trop de trucs. Comment j'entretiens? Comment j'entretiens ça? R3. Entretenez le fusil à double canon. Mais comment j'entretiens? Je vois pas comment je fais en fait. Non mais vraiment, je sais pas quoi faire. Je suis coincée là une fois de plus. Je sais pas. Je sais pas ce que je suis censée faire. Je suis coincée. J'arrive pas à sortir de ce truc. Non, j'arrive pas à sortir. Parce que je sais pas quoi faire. Ils me disent entre... C'est pourtant écrit. Ils me disent maintenez L1 pour afficher la roue des armes. Bon, la roue des armes, je sais comment l'afficher. Dégâts portés... Je vois pas ce qu'ils entendent par entretenir. Je comprends pas. Je comprends pas. Je comprends pas. En fait, il y a toujours un truc dans Red Dead. C'est insupportable. Insupportable ce jeu. Je ne comprends pas ce qu'il faut faire. On me dit d'appuyer R3. R3, c'est le joystick droit. Je comprends pas pourquoi on me dit... Je comprends pas. Je comprends pas. Vraiment, c'est vraiment au-delà de mes capacités intellectuelles là. C'est pas possible. Ce n'est pas possible ce jeu. C'est pas possible. Ce n'est pas possible. Je vois pas pourquoi on me demande de faire un truc aussi inutile. C'est inutile. Déjà, pourquoi il reste bloqué là? Pourquoi il n'arrive à rien? Pourquoi il n'arrive à rien faire là? Maintenez L1 pour afficher la roue des armes. En fait, il peut vraiment pas bouger. Il peut pas bouger s'il fait pas la mission, c'est ça? Comment je retrouve mes objets? Attends, comment je retrouve mes objets? C'est ça mon problème. Je sais pas où sont mes objets. Comment je fais là? Non, là, je vois pas où sont mes objets. C'est grave. Je sais pas où sont mes objets. Non, je sais plus où sont mes objets. Je sais plus où sont mes objets. Là, je sais plus. Là, je sais plus où sont mes objets. Ils me disent entretenir, mais je vois pas comment là. C'est dommage, hein. C'est vraiment dommage, hein. Je comprends pas. Vraiment, c'est la première fois que je me retrouve face à un jeu compliqué pour rien en fait. Mais je le sélectionne. Mais ça sert à quoi? Entretenez le fusil à double canon. Comment ça, entretenez? Je savais pas qu'on pouvait appuyer le bouton. Je savais pas qu'on pouvait appuyer ce bouton. Fouiller la cheminée. Je savais pas qu'on pouvait appuyer le bouton R3. J'ai pris combien là? 600 $? Même pas. La mission est terminée. Je vais m'arrêter là. Je vais passer à la suite. Je savais pas qu'on pouvait appuyer ce bouton. Je savais même pas que c'était un... En fait, on peut appuyer ça. Moi, je savais pas. C'est des boutons appuyables, ça, les joysticks. Moi, avant, je faisais ça, mais je savais pas que... Je savais pas qu'on pouvait appuyer. Ok, d'accord. Merci beaucoup pour la perte de temps. Génial. Ah là là, je sors de là.